everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Guys, most of us have been wondering where is Don Tandega King, who is well known as Mangobo, or for her character of Mangobo on Uzalo. She's been off screen guys for a while because of what happened to her. We wish her a speed recovery, and of course we can't wait to see her Enza Adumengazo on our screen. Please check the following video and don't forget to subscribe and comment below. Bye.
It's been so long since I've been live. Why aren't you guys sleeping? I've missed you all so much. I don't want to particularly speak about anything important, but it's been such a difficult month already, and we're only on day, what, 4, 5? Yeah, I've got Amakota, guys. Have you ever seen me like this? I think it's nice to show me like this. I wanted to remind you guys of something. I'm reminding everyone because I know that I'm going to save this video, and those that are sleeping will see it at some point. My tablet is a beauty. Hey guys, angizazi into zakuzalo. Ngizobuye ngiyibone. There's a video that I did, and if you go back to my saved live videos, you'll see it, where I was speaking about guys. Where are you guys getting this thing, Guti? I'm pregnant. And honestly, like, that's another thing that I want to set straight. I'm not pregnant. I wish I were. I'm not pregnant. I just have a knee injury, and I've been trying to communicate this to people. And there's a video that I was talking about that I did a few months ago. I don't know if it was in May. And all I said was I was tired. So I was tired from just not being able to move, because I was lying here the whole time. Because, like I said in the post that I did today, in April, I injured my knee on set. So that meant that I had to go for surgery. And that meant that I was immobile. I've been immobile for for 3 months. I was completely immobile. After the physio, that's why you guys would see pictures of me just in one place. And I'll show you pictures that I took where I was trying to have a pose, a certain pose. I'll show you these pictures. But I didn't want anyone to know that I was injured, because I needed to heal on my own. It was a tiring period emotionally, I was tired, I was depressed because I couldn't do anything. And that's why I said in that video that it was okay for you to say, you're not okay. That's what I was trying to say. And some people took that as me saying I'm quitting acting. That's why I then had to make another video that was saying, no, that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying I'm tired. I'm saying that I'm tired. And I said I was tired, and nobody asked, why are you tired? But it's also been a good 4 months. I'll say 4 months. A good 4 months, in that, in as much as I've been just sitting in here, in my bedroom, sitting, because I can't move. And there was a point where even going to the bathroom was a mission. Even taking a shower was a mission. I needed to be taken to have a shower, taken to the bathroom. It was just the most tiring period, the most depressing period of my life. And that's what I was trying to say. But nobody asked, why are you tired? And so I decided that I was going to keep it to myself. I was going to allow myself time to heal, because being immobile, when you're a person that's used to moving quickly, moving around and moving and hands-on, it's very frustrating. A lot has been happening, and when you watch all these things happening and you're just sitting on the bed, and the only time you leave the house is when you go to physio, and you come back and you sit. That's what's been happening. And now you know why I couldn't share this. Because if I feel like this 4 months, or almost 4 months after this happened, if I feel like this still, how do you think I felt just after the surgery? I'll take you through it. I'll take you through how the whole thing happened. I don't want to talk about everything right now, because I want us to go on this journey together until I am on the screen again, because I haven't even started shooting, but soon I'll start shooting, which is very exciting. So I've missed you all so much. So this has been me. My hair has grown, and I think because I've been indoors for so long, I'm lighter in complexion. Not that I'm excited about that, but this is because I've just been indoors for a long time. But I will breathe. I'll breathe. The thing is, no one ever realizes that when you are injured, or when something's wrong with you physically, it affects you emotionally and physically. No one realizes that. You think just because you have a knee surgery, then you just have to heal and move on. No, that's not what it is. You're used to moving, and then suddenly you stop. But also, on a positive note, I just thought maybe the universe wanted me to rest. I don't know. Okay. So I'm going to try and sleep now. I hope you're all going to sleep. Aslale, sleep. Let's try and sleep. I love you guys so much. I'll be on screen soon. And I'll keep having these conversations. And I will share my pictures of my journey. It hasn't been an easy journey, but I've